We are at the Museum of Clean. We are at the Museum of Clean in Pocatello, Idaho. Yep, we're gonna head in right now. What do you think's in here?
Wet wipes.
Wet wipes?
It's the Museum of Clean.
All right, take us in, Jack.
Oh, it's a whiteboard. No. What? Look at that. Whoa, it's different.
Yeah, it does say Museum of Clean, huh? But what our museum's about is how important clean is to us, right? Clean air, clean food, clean water, all sorts of stuff. That's what our museum's about. That's to make little boys ask questions.
Yeah.
Works really good. Every little boy that comes in here, you ask me what it is. It is a kid plan. Our whole second floor is a kid floor as well. You know what you can do upstairs? Check this out. You can play sponge basketball with toilet seats as the rims and mop strings as the nets. And you can put a red rag through a red rag machine. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Downstairs, you can become Mary Poppins chimney sweeps. You dress up like a chimney sweep to get my Mary in the chimney, and when you scream loud enough, I come down there and let you out. Yeah. And we are the home of the world's largest janitor, Big Don. Wait till you see Big Don. He's huge. He's the world's largest janitor.
Yeah.
I gotta vacuum you guys up. Here.
He looks nervous.
Excuse me.
There we go.
No, you just sweep them in.
The rest of them. Want to see it?
You gotta clean it up now? I wish you could clean your room that good. It's a vacuum flamingo. And a vacuum elephant. Hey, those are the same vacuums from My Little Toaster. Or is that the name of it? My Little Toaster? Show me a muscle. Do you think they're as big as his muscles? It's a squid made out of a vacuum bag. And a giant janitor. World's largest janitor, Big Don. You want that toilet seat?
Sure.
The fish might bite your butt. Clean teeth also, right? Yeah? Gotta keep your teeth clean and they cleaned so much, they died. Okay, now where are you gonna go clean?
There's bricks in here.
Where am I gonna go clean? I got my buckets. Look at that, no hands. Whoa, whoa. Whoop. All right, we're gonna go back in time. And this was your toilet back in the Roman days. Not very comfy. It's like a vacuum tractor. They made a car out of a vacuum. Hot rod. That is pretty slick. It's a dinosaur. cool truck. There's even. What's up, dude? A chicken. You found the mail?
Yeah.
Is that the mailman?
Yeah.
This is the world's first vacuum.
That's a vacuum?
What do you think is in here? Puffing Billy. So they had a hose they took in your house and they came to your house to vacuum it up. He's fighting for cleanness. It's a pretty clean band. World's only orchestra of clean. They have a ton of these Pinewood Derby cars. But I gotta say, one of them is way cleaner than the rest. Toss it in the toilet. Oh, you made it in one. Nice first shot. How do you think these guys are doing? Cleaning up well? You look pretty clean. Whoa, you're pretty strong. See how strong these guys are? You know, just working out, you know. Yeah. Okay, you got it? All right, turn the switch on. Wes, put, all right, Wes, put yours through. Turn the switch on. Hey, that's the cleanest version of ring toss I ever seen. Who knew you could exercise while you're on the toilet? Some of these are like racing things. Kart races. Cool. Well, we found a new use for lightsabers. Who knew? Oh, almost a 6.
5. I got 5 points.
Just, you know, Mr. Clean and I hanging out, chilling. I gotta say, Mr. Bond, that was a pretty clean shot. They sure like to race their vacuums here. Well, in case you've got any laundry to do, you know, just head down to the basement, to the local laundromat, and, you know, take care of laundry. So you're gonna clean the rug then? Just don't smack me! Ah! All right, we had ourselves a good clean time at the Museum of Clean. And did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got ourselves a magnet for the Museum of Clean, and we will continue on to our next destination.